No, I didn't see the gate.
Oh my, she's crazy. My mom is crazy.
I didn't see the gate.
It doesn't matter, Mother.
It's the old house I wanted to show you, Debbie, where we live.
The choo-choo train.
They be howling.
Mama, they be hauling. Ask me my opinion, because I don't.
Did you feel that?
You think it's this right here? I bet it's right here.
No, it's OnStar, goofball.
Oh.
Lord of mercy.
Really? I am hot.
What do you think, Mom?
Why is your flash on? Why is your flash on?
Mama. Mama.
What?
Look here. Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Mommy. Mom. Well, this might be a world record on trains.
It's a long train, that's all I know. Please don't roll backwards.
Nothing like coming to Science Hill, Kentucky.
Yeah, because they don't have trains in Indiana.
They don't be having trains like this and stuff.
Train's slowing down.
Oh yeah, this is really going to stop.
It is, it's slowing down. I can see it. You don't see the train slowing down?
I don't see the train slowing down.
It's slowing down. I hear the train coming. It's rolling around the bend.
Well, I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when.
I'm stuck in Folsom Prison.